Dear students, today we are going to learn nature of principles of management. Management principles are formed to guide and influence the behavior of employees. These principles insist on improving efficiency of organizational resources in terms of profit. These principles also focus on best coordination between superior, subordinates, and all the members of organization. Let's see the nature of principles of management one by one. Number 1, universal application. The principles of management are universal in nature. That means they can be applied to all types of organizations irrespective of their size and nature. They are applicable to all types of business organization, whether they are educational institutions, charitable institutions, sports club, commercial organization, agriculture sector, etc. Their results may vary and applications may be modified, but these are suitable for all kinds of organizations. Similarly, they are applicable to all levels of management. Number 2, general guidelines. Management principles provide general guidelines in tackling the organizational situations wisely as well as in solving the problems. They are not rigid. Which management principles are to be applied depends upon the situation, size, and nature of organization. For example, when we say fair remuneration, then the term fair can vary as per the nature, size, and financial condition of the organization. Number 3, principles are formed by practice and experiments. The management principles are developed gradually through research work. Systematic observation and experiments are conducted before developing them. The results of such experiments have been developed as a principle after its practice in organizations. Number 4, flexibility. Management principles are flexible in nature. Flexible means changeable. It means they can be changed or modified according to the situation. Managers can be flexible while implementing principles to suit the requirement. The business situations keep on changing. Management principles can be adjusted or modified and can be used in the organization according to its need. Number 5, behavioral in nature. Management is a group activity. Management aims at achieving certain goals through a group of human beings. Management principles are designed to influence human beings. These principles control a group of persons and direct them to achieve the objectives. Therefore, these principles are behavioral in nature. Next, number 6, cause and effect relationship. Principles of management are the base for taking decisions. They determine the cause or reason for particular effect. For example, payment of good wages and incentives helps in increasing the output of workers, or making effective advertisement increases the sale of a product. Number 7, all principles are of equal importance. All principles of management are of equal importance, and these principles are to be practiced simultaneously to get best result in the form of achievement of predefined goals. If any specific principle is focused more and others are not followed with same focus, then it affects the working of organization. So dear students, we have completed nature of principles of management. If you have understood the video, then like, share and subscribe the video. Thanks for watching.